Have you ever had that moment where you know you've written something important somewhere? Maybe in a note, a document, a meeting recap, a random browser tab, or even a voice memo. But when you actually need it, it's gone. You spend more time searching for information than using it. Well, I recently came across a tool called Mem, and after checking it out, it feels like it's trying to solve that exact problem, not by giving you another folder system to manage, but by helping your notes organize themselves. Let's take a look.
Okay, so most people are using AI like a toy, and you're about to use it like a weapon, starting with what I'll show you now.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Mem AI, a note-taking and knowledge management platform designed to help you capture ideas, organize information, and actually find things later without spending hours creating complicated folder structures. From the screenshots and features shown on their website, Mem seems focused on one big goal, helping you remember everything without manually organizing everything. So let's jump in and see what it can do. At its core, Mem is a digital workspace for your thoughts, notes, meeting summaries, research, and ideas. The homepage describes it as a place to dump your ideas, meetings, and research into one system and let AI help organize everything for you. And honestly, that's something a lot of people struggle with. Most note-taking apps eventually become giant storage closets. You save information, you keep saving information, and 6 months later you can't find anything. Mem appears to approach this differently. Instead of expecting you to create endless folders and categories, it automatically connects related information behind the scenes. So the focus shifts from organizing to simply capturing information. Looking at the dashboard screenshots, the interface is surprisingly clean. On the left side, you have your notes and collections. In the center, you can view and manage individual notes or collections. And on the right side, there's an AI-powered chat panel that can interact with your knowledge base. One thing I immediately like is how uncluttered everything feels. There aren't dozens of buttons fighting for your attention. It feels more like a workspace designed to help you think rather than a project management tool trying to do everything at once. Creating notes looks incredibly simple. You hit Create Note, start typing, and everything gets stored inside your Mem workspace. No complicated setup required. Now this is probably the most interesting part. According to the website, Mem automatically remembers and organizes information you've saved. Instead of manually creating folders for every topic, project, or idea, Mem can connect related notes together automatically. For example, if you save meeting notes today, then save project ideas next week, then save research a month later. The system can surface related information when needed. That's huge, because most people don't fail at taking notes. They fail at retrieving them. The information exists, it's just buried somewhere. Mem's goal seems to be making your knowledge searchable and connected rather than simply stored. Another standout feature is the built-in AI chat experience. You can actually ask questions about your notes. The interface even suggests prompts like, "What should I follow up on from this week?" or "Give me an overview of my last 14 days." Instead of manually reading through dozens of notes, you can interact with your knowledge base conversationally. Imagine saving meeting notes, ideas, research, and personal thoughts for months, then simply asking a question and getting relevant information back instantly. That's a much more natural way to work with information than scrolling through endless documents. And honestly, this might be one of the biggest reasons people would use Mem in the first place. The website also highlights multiple ways to get information into Mem. You can type notes manually, use voice input, capture information from meetings, save content from the web, send information from your phone. The idea is simple. Whenever you encounter something worth remembering, Mem gives you a way to save it. Then the platform handles the organization afterward. That's a much smoother workflow than stopping what you're doing just to decide where something belongs. This is where Mem seems especially powerful. The website mentions that you can search for information even if you don't remember exact keywords. You can describe what you're looking for and let the system help locate it. Anyone who has ever searched through years of notes knows how valuable that can be. Sometimes you remember the idea, but not the title, not the date, not the folder, just the concept. Having AI help bridge that gap could save a lot of frustration. Let's talk about pricing because that's always important. Based on the pricing page screenshot, free plan. The free version includes 25 notes per month, 25 chat messages per month, 25 PDF pages understood in search and chat, so you can definitely test the platform without spending anything. Mem Pro. The Pro plan is priced at $12 per month. This unlocks unlimited notes, unlimited chat messages, unlimited collections, unlimited templates, unlimited connected emails, unlimited API keys, unlimited PDF, understanding AI model, selection dark mode, Deep searches for heavier users who plan to store a lot of information. This is likely where most of the platform's power becomes available. There's also a Teams option with custom pricing for organizations. Overall, Mem looks like an interesting take on note-taking. Instead of focusing on folders, tags, and endless manual organization, it focuses on helping you capture information quickly and letting AI handle the heavy lifting. The ability to chat with your notes, automatically connect related information, and search through your knowledge naturally makes it feel less like a traditional notes app and more like a second brain for your information. If you've been looking for a smarter way to manage notes, research, meeting summaries, and ideas, Mem might be worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments. What's the biggest problem you have with note-taking apps right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.